Everything is looking great and looking good. Ooh-wee. I'm so excited. All right, so game plan for today. We are going to be putting on the painted casing, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on the forks. Now they might get in my way while I'm doing the back, so I might not put on the rear forks. I don't know. Have to figure it out if I'm gonna do that or not. But the bike is looking good. I'm happy. So now we just got to go get the other parts bike to get the front end to put it on here, and we're gonna paint the forks and part of the rim. But man, this thing is coming together so quickly. The tire for the rear will be in Friday. So, like I said before, this got to be coated today so we can get this all wrapped up and done. Oh man, that casing, look at that. The orange looks amazing. Now, one thing I didn't realize is that these need to go black. All my screws, I need to take those back out, paint them black, and I guess whenever the person wrecked the motorcycle, broke off a bolt right here. So I gotta get that bolt out right there. But other than that, loving everything else. I'm just so happy to get to this stage of putting stuff back together. I just keep looking at this frame. It's just so gorgeous. I can't believe I did that. Now, there's a few people wondering and have asked why I did not take the frame off the motorcycle. And here's why. And we're gonna do a little recap. When I first started this build, it was something that I just came up with. You know, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna build. I saw an image. That's what I saw, an image online of kind of like the bike kind of looked like a Pokemon, and I'm like, okay, you know what, I can build it. So the next day came in my garage with some paint sticks and some fabric and a hot glue gun, and I just started making stuff, and I ended up doing the front end of like it is today. And I was like, well, you know what, I'm gonna post this online. So I wanted to post the journey online, not thinking nothing, didn't even think this was gonna be a thing or blow up or anything like that. But sure enough, it did. Everybody was loving the build. So now my creative juices are just going. I have no blueprint. I have nothing to go by. Literally day by day, every single day when I get up and on this bike, I'm like, I come up with a new idea. Go to sleep, wake up, new idea. Go to sleep, wake up, a new idea. And then I'm here now. And I look at the bike and I say, yeah, you know what? I should have dropped it. I should have dropped the motor, but when I was doing this, I didn't know nothing about forged carbon. I was gonna try it. If it didn't work out, it didn't work out. So that's why I didn't take the frame off. But anyway, I said all that to say this. You never know what you're capable of until you actually try it. So with me trying it, has turned out to what it is today. And I am super ecstatic about everything that's going on with the bike and the build. And if I know I had somebody in my comments section that tell me I need to humble myself, and I'm just full of excitement, just like you. This is new to me because I always thought I could do something like this, but actually building it and doing it is two totally different things. So by no means am I trying to be flashy or not trying to be humble, but I'm just so excited that this bike is coming together so beautifully. So I'm just sanding. This is my outside drive. I don't know what you actually call this on the swing arm, but at first I had it all the forged carbon all around it, and you know what I say, maybe I might got a little too much forged carbon on. Since I got the whole frame, I'm just going to do the insides of these little pockets. I think that's just a nice little detail that's going to sit on the outside of this. So I got 2 more coats on this swing arm and she will be completely finished. I just can't wait to get this back on the bike, the rim on the bike, and the front end, so we can get a real good understanding of what this bike is going to turn into once it's complete. Okay, so what I end up doing, I end up painting this and clear coating it while it was on. And I assembled the rear sets right here. They are done. And then over here, I just sanded all of these. So now we're gonna lay and do clear coat on these. I didn't do this yesterday because it was super cold. So today I'm about to do this right now. So we're gonna lay this up. I think this is my final coat, if I'm not mistaken. I might have to do a little touch-up coat, but pretty much I've put a lot of layers on this thing, so this should be down to the final coat. If not, we'll have to put another coat on, but it is looking wonderful. This side is definitely looking really good. This could withstand one more coat though. I really think so on this side. So at first I had all of the forged carbon going all the way around it. And then I'm like, you know what? That's just a little too much. Let me just do just the insides of these pockets. And then what I'm gonna do is paint the rest of it black and just keep it nice and simple. Nothing too crazy. This right here is ready for its last coat. All right, y'all know what time it is. We back at Jay's Weld Shop again. We about to get this tire mounted up to the rim.
Hurt my feelings a little bit.
No, you're good. Oh, that's it right there.
Is it?
Oh, it slid off though.
Like,
You know,
yeah, dog. Be nice to us. It's gonna go under, or what's it gonna do? It's on there.
It's on there. She on there.
Oh, white.
Everybody was freaking out because I put yellow on there, and then I'm like, you don't see the food?
Oh God. It ain't gone all the way yet.
It's gonna go. Sometimes you can just leave them and let them sit for a little bit, and they'll pop on their own.
What are we sitting at, 50 right now?
Almost 60.
Here, maybe a little.
This pop is gonna be violent.
Yeah, I don't want to. Where's that? Is it already on?
It's on this side, yeah.
It's right there and right here. Maybe we come on, man. That's what I hate. I'd hate this.
I hate
part.
I hate the ones that.
Let me help it out. Well, I ain't holding it.
I ain't scared of it, but
There. Maybe hit it with something. Give it a little love tap.
yeah, I normally hit it. Take a hammer. And,
Yeah, I'm about to give the little hand.
oh, she's tight as a rock. But sometimes you can just let them sit, and they will eventually do it. Just a little bit. Come on, baby.
I'm gonna throw my purse at it.
That's the air down there.
Come on now.
I mean, it's just a little bit. She'll pop.
Yeah, right there.
Well, it's at 60 pounds. Almost at 60. It ain't 60 quite.
What's the burst rate on these things?
Hell, I don't know. I'll just let it sit, man. Honestly, it'll pop. I know you're forcing it.
Just let it hang out there.
Just let it hang. All right, that coat turned out wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm gonna put one more coat on it here, in just a minute, but one thing I do want to do is tape up this frame. That's that carbon fiber, that forged carbon looks good, and I'm just fearful that I'm going to scratch it somehow or damage it in some way. So I just want to take the time just to throw some tape on it, just to protect it, just in case. You never know. Me, you know, and also for overspray or anything that's in here that could get on it and ruin it, I just want to make sure I take care of that right away. Let's see what we got back here. I've been having this thing sit outside all day. Did the bead pop? Nope, the bead didn't pop yet. So I got it hooked up to a ratchet strap. I mean, it's just a little bit left. Oh man, so close. But I was heard that we can put 100 and about 10 pounds of pressure in here, so maybe that will help the bead pop even more. So I will definitely try to do something else here shortly. No mas. Anyway, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog, fine people of the world. What we doing today? I don't know. There's so much going on. So much going on. All right, so from yesterday, these pieces are done. I could do the body work on this. Definitely need to do the body work on that. I want to paint these right here this weekend, and I wanted to paint that, but I doubt that's going to happen because I got a lot of stuff going on. But we need to do some more fine details on this, so let's take this off and then let's work on this and finish building the bottom piece right here to this bike. We got to do some fiberglassing before we finish doing the rest of the body work.